What's up, guys? This is Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and I'm gonna make some decals. So decals that I'm gonna send out. Ready? Here we go. You know, I do make my own decals here in my garage, so anything you can do will really support my channel. The decals were bought from one of my subscribers, which also has a YouTube channel. He also buys cars from Copart, and he started his channel. He's doing pretty good. The channel is Tony Does It. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave a little video right here on my side. You could go ahead and check out his channel. Like I said, he has a brand new channel, but mainly he's buying newer trucks. You know, trucks. But they're brand new. Well, they're not brand new, but brand new to compared to the cars that I buy. You know, he's got a like a 2017 Silverado that he just bought. That's got some bed damage. Good to see that you're buying, you know, fairly new cars. So he also bought an F-150. I think he bought two F-150s. Not sure, but I don't know if they're the same ones. I'm pretty sure they're two different trucks. But check out his channel, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Also, Tony, I want to thank you for buying the decals, and keep up the good work, bro. So the machine is almost done, guys. Also, guys, check out my little decal store. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, check out the decals. I got like 5 different types of decals, but they're pretty small. They're like 9 inches. So you get a pair for them for like $6, I believe. If you want to support my channel or check out the decals, if you like something, you can buy it, and I would really appreciate it, guys. So check out my link on the description for the decals. And the machine already finished cutting the decals.
There's some other more pieces that I had to remove. All the little ones inside of the letters, but let me do that right now. Okay, guys, so there it is. So now I'm gonna apply the transfer tape. Apply it over the decal.
So that's it, guys. That's it for the decals. So now let's get back to the video. Okay, guys, I told you guys I was gonna put you guys on the screen recorder, but it didn't work out. So if it's not as clear as I wanted to, I apologize. But so here we are in the San Jose yard. So one of the cars that I like is coming up, and it's that one. So 3 minutes. It's pure sell, and there it is. That's the damage. It's got a lot of damage, but you know, I'm gonna risk it. It says it runs and drives, so hopefully it goes out for a good price. I'm not gonna go that much because, like I said, I don't know about the fees on autobidmaster.com. I don't know how they work, so I don't want to, you know, bid as I usually do, because I already know my fees. So if I go up to 1,000, you know, as in the way I normally buy, $1,000 would come out to maybe 1,400 with fees and everything. So if I go 1,000 on this one, I know it's gonna go all the way to over 2,000. So I'm gonna keep it low, really low on that. So let's see how it goes, guys. So okay, so I'm in at 525, 550. I'm out. So I have it at 575. Oh man. I'm getting pretty nervous, guys. I don't know if that's happened to you guys before, but
bonus time.
Come on. I hate bonus times when I'm winning, guys. So there it is. I won a car, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? So got the tow dolly again. I mean, not the tow dolly, the auto transport trailer. And I'm about to arrive at Copart. It's a rainy day, so hopefully this turns out pretty quick and I could get the car out really quick. Like I said, I bought this car through autobidmaster.com, so they're requesting a tow truck or a shipping company to actually pick up the car. They don't let me pick it up, so actually that kind of sucks, but that's what they want, so there's nothing I can do about it. I called the tow truck and they're charging me $100 to just go pick up the car and you know, bring it outside the gate. So I think that's a lot, but I got no other choice. But usually in Copart there's a lot of tow trucks right there and other, you know, trailers and shipping companies, you know, so I'm gonna ask one of those tow trucks right there if they wanna, if they'll do it for me. If not, then I'll just call that person and so have them pick up the car. It's raining, guys. Got the trailer. The trailer came out pretty expensive today, guys, because I got a one-way trip only, and supposedly that's a lot more expensive. I should have brought it from home. Over there I would have paid $60 for it, and now I paid 157 because supposedly it's going one way. So that sucks, and I'm pretty far to go back and try to rent the other one. That's just, I had to do it, so oh well. But I'm pretty close. I'm like maybe 2 minutes away from the yard, somewhere over there. But we'll see if I could get the car. Here I am, guys. Okay, guys, so back home, I have the car right here behind me. Nice messing around, that's the same one, but I do have the car, so I'm gonna show it to you guys now. So there it is, guys. This is my new project. It's a 06 BMW 325i e90. Let me show you guys the interior. I don't like the tan leather, guys. I hate this color on the interior. But everything seems to work okay. Runs and drives. I hate this color, guys. Tell me what you guys think about the interior color. You think it's nice? 'Cause I hate it. I don't like it. It's got the sunroof. It's pretty clean inside. Now let's get to the good part. That's the damage. That's part of it, at least. But it looks worse than, well, it is really bad. I mean, it's really bad. But it wasn't like this. I messed up the bumper, bringing it down from the trailer. They loaded it with the forklift on the trailer, and when I tried to unload it, the front part of the bumper got stuck on the front of the trailer, and when I pulled it back, this thing just snapped and broke even more. But that's the damage. The hood is damaged, the front fender is damaged, but the damage continues. So it's a dent there. It's a big old dent right here. So the whole front door is damaged. It's gonna probably need replacing. The rear door needs replacing, and that quarter panel is messed up. That didn't look as bad on the pictures as it is now, so I wasn't really counting on that much of a damage on the rear quarter panel. It's got 114,000 miles. Like I said, it runs and drives. So that's from all this from all of the damage, guys, I think this is the worst. This is the worst thing that's gonna give me more problems than all of this stuff. So there it is. I can't really get that thing to open. I tried it already, but I can't. So I'm gonna find a way to force it. Let me start it up for you guys. So don't forget to leave in the comment section what you guys think so far. So it's giving me all that. Headlights. That's another light. Another light. That's because of the headlights. I'm pretty sure that damaged headlight on the front. But I'm gonna turn it off because it's showing me the radiator, and I'm pretty sure the radiator is messed up. So I mean, everything in here looks okay. Purpose, I just want to show you guys how to get a car without a any special licenses here in California, because here in California it's pretty hard to get a car from Copart. So this broker is a good option. So don't stop for that, guys. Don't let nothing stop you if you want to start buying and fixing cars. I mean, there's always different ways to go. Of course you're gonna pay a little bit more, but that's your only option. So I mean, just grab that option and take advantage of it, guys. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, and see you guys in the next one.